we are just kind of exploring and picking up some small things today. And it is very cold and rainy and so I'm going to try and run inside and be warm. Alright, so we have made it through the top level of IKEA. Didn't vlog any of it because we're trying to rush through, but now we are eating food. Chris's friend is here, so she's also eating food. And my mom, yeah. But we are sitting by the water because, yay. It's also very cloudy still, but it doesn't look like it's actually raining at the moment, which is nice. So, basically. So, it's very pretty out, and we're gonna eat food. I've actually already eaten part of my food, and Chris is like halfway through his. So, we were pretty hungry, to be honest.
Okay guys, so in case any of you guys weren't wondering, we came back from IKEA, we got pizza, and then came back to my friend's place, had pizza and some shots, but mostly helped them set up their phones because they got, my friend and her mom got new phones because she broke her phone because of her ex-boyfriend, and then her mom needed a new phone anyways because, well, to be fair, Metro isn't all that great. I've had Metro before, so I know. So yeah, they got new phones and I helped set them up. I couldn't quite figure out their like email past Gmail. Like I set up my friend's Gmail account and I set up her mom's Gmail account, but I couldn't figure out like her other email. But yeah, I helped them like reinstall other apps and whatnot, so that's a plus. Like Facebook and Snapchat and whatnot. Hey Amanda, you have anything to say? No? Nope. She's feeling tired, I think. I think IKEA and the rest of the night drained her. So we're gonna head to bed.
Sorry, it's just such a short vlog, guys. We didn't really vlog a lot in IKEA because we were rushing through, and we didn't vlog a whole lot at his friend's house because we were helping with phones. So
yeah, stuff happens. So if you like to,
you're gonna get 2 vlogs tomorrow or today or whatever, because we were out all day and didn't get a chance to edit yesterday's vlog, so
yeah, sorry about that. It's like 1:15 in the morning here, so yeah, my bad. So if you liked today's video, go ahead and hit the like button, add to your favorites, and share it with your friends. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe because we make new videos every single day. And like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. All the links are in the description below.
we'll see you guys tomorrow as always. Bye-bye.
Later, guys.